for you. It's peanut butter.
What do you think about that?
Yum.
What?
Yum.
That's peanut butter fudge.
Yum.
You know who made that? Who?
You and it, Mom.
Mommy, really.
Daddy helped stir it.
I stirred it and poured it out. That was it. You know whose recipe that is? It's Mama's. Do you like it? You want more? Okay, you will get some later. And,
After this.
well, not right now, but a little later, okay? Mommy's making some old-fashioned chocolate fudge, too. All right? Merry Christmas! Hee hee hee! Ho ho ho!
Oh.
There's the season to get fat.
Yum.
There's Mommy making more fudge right there.
Yum.
There it is, a
Fudge is a
bubbling.
boiling. It's a bubbling, it's a bubbling, it's a bubbling in my soul.
Hey, I think everybody's get out of the kitchen.